Alright. Hope everybody is doing well. Hope all of you and your families are safe. Let's see what we have here, y'all. Pretty sure I know what this is. Alright, well. This is a SelfieStick Tripod. Look at that, it even comes with a remote and possibly a light. Here, it does come with a little light. That's pretty neat. Oh yeah, that's cute, y'all. Not too bad. Alright, that's pretty sweet. Oh, look at that. Detachable remote. Ain't that spiffy. Alright, am I missing something here? Okay. Ha. Ain't that nice, y'all. No more using this crappy bungee thing that I have rigged up over here. This is pretty straight, y'all. Shoot. For I think $20 or $22, I'm not gonna complain. I will certainly keep everyone updated. God bless.